Guys, welcome to your B-Day asynchronous day. No Google Meets, but you still have work to do. Luckily for you, B-Day, you are already so far ahead of A-Day. You only got one thing to do, and that's to go ahead and take your writing skills formative, which will be ridiculously similar to the test you guys will actually take next week on Wednesday. So let's actually talk through that. If you go to your Schoology class and if you scroll down past the task card from Wednesday, and if you get to our assessments and study guides folder, you should be able to arrive at assessments, and the last assessment in there, which will be live for you on Friday morning, is writing skills formative. So how is this so similar to the test that you're going to take on Wednesday, the very next class we're going to have? Well, the test you're going to have on Wednesday is going to be the exact same thing. Except what you're going to have on Wednesday, you don't have to pick the right answer because I'm going to give you all the answers on Wednesday. Your test is going to be able to explain why that answer was the right answer. So today, you're going to take all the questions from Wednesday's test and you're going to have to figure out what the right answer is. Take that. It's a really good kind of check to see, do you know what's going on? And it's formative today's assessment. So if you don't do so hot, it's okay. But on Wednesday, you will see the exact same test, except this time you'll have the right answers, and your job will be to explain why is each answer correct. So let's take a look at it. Question 1 has been giving people a little bit of problems. This is a drag and drop question, which means you have 2 quotation marks to go ahead and drop into 2 boxes, but there are 4 blanks. So you go ahead and drag and drop wherever you believe these quotation marks need to go. And what I just did was wrong, so don't do what I did. But in this case, you just have to drag all 4 to the right spot. That's number 1. 2 is multiple choice. 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are all multiple choice. When we get to question 7, it's another drag and drop. You have 2 boxes. You have to drag in the 2 answers you believe that would fit best. Question 8, multiple choice. Question 9, multiple choice. And question 10, multiple choice. So here's the second half of the assessment today, and this has to do with writing prompts. So watch. We're going to give you 2 essays, Essay A and Essay B. While you read them, we want you to be thinking about which paper is stronger than the other. And after you're reading them, after you're done reading them, you have to figure out which one's stronger, and you have to tell us why. So Essay A, Essay B. This question's easy. Which one's stronger? But then question 14, this is important. Give us 4 reasons why you chose either Essay A or Essay B is stronger than the other. Now, when it comes to your 4 reasons, only one of your reasons can be correctness. So out of your 4 reasons, only one reason can refer to things like spelling and punctuation and grammar and formatting. That's kind of correctness stuff. So you can only talk about spelling, punctuation, grammar, all that stuff only once. The other 3 reasons why you said that essay was stronger than the other, you have to pull back into what we've talked about in our essays that we've written this year. So that might have to do with, I don't know, organization, thesis statements, evidence, means, relates, matters when it comes to commentary, clinchers, hooks, anything like that. Even tone, voice, anything that you think really makes one essay stronger than the other. That should be your other 3 reasons. One reason can be correctness. Your other 3 should be something different that you come up with. Click finish and you're done. Now, if you want to study up before your actual test on Wednesday that counts for a major part of your grade, you can always go ahead and take a look at our study guide. So I'll show you where that is. From our Schoology, scroll down to where you'll find assessments and study guides. Go into study guides, and what you'll notice at the very tippy top, you'll see this guy. If you click on this guy, this is what you'll see. All the correct answers will be in the actual notes at the bottom. So if you want to see what the right answers were for what we're looking at, you just go ahead and take a look down at the actual speaker notes, and this is where the answers will be down here. Also, got some Nearpod practice if you want to go back and take a look at those Nearpods, just some student students near pods where they'll go at your own pace. That's about it. So knock off your formative, do great on that. Make sure that you study up for your test on Wednesday. And remember, your test on Wednesday isn't going to be having to know what the right answer is. I'm going to tell you what the right answer is. Your test on Wednesday is you have to be able to explain why that answer was indeed correct. Study up, do great. If you have questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, good luck. You got this.